So hello there guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be learning about if, elo. We're going to be learning about echo, which means if, else. This is how Steve Jobs always says if, else. Of course, we are going to be continuing. Now, Python conditions and if statements. Python supports the usual logic conditions from mathematics. Yep. In Python, you're going to be learning about plus, minus, multiplication, and division. So equals, so also equals A equals B. The Python developers are doing this because why not? Not equals is A exclamation point equals B. It is like this because why not? Now less than if A less than is A is less than B. Less than means smaller. Means smaller than. Means this thing is smaller than this. Now less than or equal to means this thing is smaller. But what the thing is that if it is equal to this number also, then simply this means if you are a young child and if you know this, you will say this. You have now thing like because this means actually when you're small, lesser than n equals to. If you are big, then it is at enough. Then greater than is simply bigger than. It's simply bigger than. Greater than or equal to is like that. So these conditions can be used in several ways. Most commonly in if statements and loops. An if statement is written by using the if keyword. So this is so A is equal to 33 and B is equal to 200. So if 200 if 200 is greater than 33, then it says B is greater than A. In this example, we use two variables A and B, which are used as part of the statement to test whether B is greater than A. As A is 33 and B is 200, we know that 200 is greater than 33. And so we print to the screen that b is greater than a. Python relies on indentation, white space at the beginning of the line, to define scope in the code. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. Now, if you don't type two spaces, then you will get an error. The else keyword catches anything which isn't caught by the preceding conditions. So as you can see, elif simply means else if, means if the certain means if this is not true, then. Else means if these both things are not true. Else means if it is not true, then. If all of them are not true, including the elif, that is that. Which isn't got by the preceding conditions means that. Okay, so as you can see, a is now equal to 200 and b is equal to 33. Like we have just gotten a time machine. Not exactly a time machine, but it's okay. Now, as you can see, instead these will all be wrong, and this will be true. A is greater than B. So, hope you guys like this video. So hope you did smash the like button and turn it gray. And see you guys next time. Goodbye.